Okay, so next topic is interpolation. So let me define what is interpolation. We are given values of a function. We don't know what is this function f of x at different points, and we don't know what are the values of what is this function f of different points x0, x1, etc. up to xn. So we want to approximate values of f of x for new x. That means we have given values of function at x0, x1, etc. up to xn, and by using this we will approximate value of f of x for some different x values that lies between these values x1, x2, etc. that lies between these values. Now this process is called interpolation. This process is called interpolation. So we have given n values, different values of a function, and by using that we will find value for the function for new values for the function. Okay. So let x naught x1 or let x naught y naught x1 y1 etc. up to xn yn be the given values Okay, so x naught y naught means y naught is f of x naught and y1 is f of x1, etc. Yn is f of xn, value of f at xn. Okay, at the given values. The standard idea is in interpolation is to find a polynomial Pn of x of degree n that assumes given values. That means the idea is we will find a polynomial with degree n that assumes, that means Pn of x naught, value of Pn of x naught is y naught, Pn of x1 is y1, and etc. up to Pn of xn is yn. That means we will find a polynomial which assumes the value at x0, x1, etc. xn as y0, y1, etc. up to y. And this polynomial is called interpolation polynomial. Okay. So this polynomial is called interpolation polynomial, and it is unique. Okay, polynomial is unique. But we can represent it in many ways. We know that if x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, this can be written as x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. sorry, x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So similarly, in many ways we can write the same polynomial. Okay. So now our aim is, if we have given a function f of x which is continuous and some points, we have to find a polynomial which approximates the value of f. So the first method to find such polynomial is Newton's divided difference formula. Newton's divided difference formula. It's very easy. While doing problem, it seems very easy. But while explaining the formula, it may be some more terms are involved, so it may be somewhat difficult. So if x naught, y naught, x1, y1, etc., xn, yn be the given points, then I am first defining then first divided difference. First divided difference. First divided difference denoted by delta x naught x1 is equal to y1 minus y naught divided by x1 minus x naught. That is first divided difference for x naught and x1. Now delta x1 x2, it will be, here it is x1 x2, so it is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Similarly, delta x2 x3 is y3 minus y1 divided by x3 minus x1. x3 minus x2. Sorry, y3 minus y2 divided by x3 minus, and so on. Okay, that means so on, delta xn minus 1 xn is equal to yn minus 1 divided by xn minus xn minus. So this is the first divided difference, delta x naught x1. Now second divided difference is denoted by delta x naught x1 x2. So this is actually delta x1 x2, so that we will get from here, right, minus delta x naught x1 divided by the second, so this minus this, x2 minus x1 x naught. So similarly you can write the divided difference of x1 x2 x3 same. So this is second divided difference. So similarly, delta x1 x2 x3 is equal to delta x3 x2 minus delta x2 x1 divided by x3 minus x1, and so on. So similarly, third divided difference is, we will denote it by delta x naught x1 x2 and x3. So that is equal to delta this minus this. Okay, delta x1 x2 x3 minus delta x0 x1 x2 divided by x3 minus x0 x3 minus x0 and so on. Similarly, okay. Now, what is the formula? We will find, what is the polynomial? So, the polynomial is, first we will take the polynomial, let y0, y1, etc. yn be the values of y equal to f of x, then Newton's divided difference formula is we will find the polynomial y equal to f of x is equal to first y0 plus x minus x0 into delta x0 x1 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into delta x0 x1 x2 plus x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x2 into delta x0 x1 x2 x3 plus etc. up to x minus x0 into x minus x1 into etc. x minus xn into delta x0 x1 etc. up to xn. So this is a nth degree polynomial. So we will get n degree polynomial. Okay. So and so on. So this is the polynomial for approximating this. Now now we will do a problem, then it will be very easy. So remember that formula. So first problem, using Newton's divided difference formula, evaluate f of 8 and f of 50, f of 8 and f of 50, and the values given, x and f of x are given 448, 500, 7, 294, 10, 900, 900. Okay. 11, 1210, and 13, 2028. So here intervals are unequal. 5, 4, 4, 5, then 7, then 10, etc. So we have given unequal values, and y naught, f of x naught, this is y naught, y1, y2, etc. up to y3, y4, y5. So first what we will do is we will draw the difference table, then it will be very easy. Okay. So in order to draw table, the table is solution. First x values, then f of x, y equal to f of x values, then first divided difference, and this is second divided difference, third divided difference, and there are 5 points, so up to fourth divided difference, So first you draw this table, then what we will do is I will write x values 4, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13. Now 48, 100, 294, 900, 1210, 2028. So first divided difference, we know that delta x0 x1 is equal to y2 minus y1 minus y0 divided by x1 minus x0. So y1 is this 100 minus 48 divided by 5 minus 4. So the value is 52. Now second is 294 minus 100. 294 minus 100 divided by 7 minus 2. 7 minus 5. So the value is 97. So next is 900 minus 294 divided by 10 minus 7. 10 minus 7. That is 2, no 2. If you calculate this. Next is 1210 minus 900 divided by 11 minus 10. Answer is 310. And last one, this 2028 minus 1210 divided by 13 minus 11. Answer is 409. Now second divided difference is, we know that delta x0 x1 x2 is delta x1 x2 minus delta x0 x1 divided by 2 divided by x0 x1 minus x0 x2 minus x0. This is 2. So what that means, we will subtract this. 97 minus 52 divided by this 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, which is 50. And next is this minus this. 202 minus 97 divided by 10 minus 5. That is equal to 21. Similarly, this 310 minus 202 divided by 11 minus 7. So that is equal to 27. And last 409 minus 310 divided by this 13 minus 10. 1, 2, 3, 32. Now next divided difference is same. What we will do is this minus this, that is 21 minus 15 divided by x3. x3 is this 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now again this minus this 27 minus 21 divided by 11 minus 5, that is equal to again 1. Next 32 minus 27 divided by 13 minus 7. So this is equal to 1. Now last 1, this minus this. 1 minus 1, 10 minus 4. Sorry, 11 minus 4. This is 0. Similarly, 1 minus 1 is there. And 13 minus 5. This is 0. So we get last column completely 0. So now our formula is we know that Newton's forward difference formula is forward diff formula is y equal to f of x is equal to y naught plus x minus x naught into delta x naught x1 plus x minus x naught into x minus x1 into delta x naught x1 x2 plus etc. So now here we can write the formula y of, I want to find out y of, in the question we have to find out f of 8 and f of 15, right? So that means f of 8 is, that means when x equal to 8 and x equal to 15. So when x equal to 8, we have f of 8. Y equal to f of 8 is equal to, I will put the value y naught, this 48. 48 plus x minus x is 8. 8 minus x naught. X naught is 4 into delta delta x naught x1, that is 52, plus next is x minus x naught x minus x1. X minus x naught 8 minus 4 into 8 minus x1 is 5 into delta x naught x1, that is 15. 15 plus next is Next is, we know that x minus x naught into x minus x1 into x minus x2. Delta x naught, x1, x2, x3. So that is x minus x1, 4, 8 minus 5 into 8 minus 7 into, next is this 1 into 1. And the other terms is, this row is completely 0, therefore we can stop here. So if you calculate this, you will get the answer as 448. So f of 8 is approximately 448. Similarly, we can find f of 15, which is equal to, here x equal to 15. So y of 15 is equal to the similar procedure. First 48 plus 15 minus 4, 52 plus, okay, I will show you. So I will replace here by 15 plus 8 minus 4 into 8 minus 5, sorry, 15 minus 4 into 15 minus 5 into 15. Okay. Here plus 15 minus 4 into 15 minus 5 into 15 minus 7 into 1. So the answer is 3150. So in this manner we will find the values.